Hi everyone! I have really good news. Our summer skin kits have arrived. I wanted to offer a little kit for everyone so they could experience this kind of just perfect skin, this really beautiful summer skin. It will come in this beautiful pink little box that's so cute, so chic. You get these two perfect products. You have Super Loaded Tinted Highlight in Peau de Soleil, which is a beautiful golden, bronzy, really perfect shade for any time of the year, but especially for the summer months, really amplifying that kind of golden finish to your skin. Paired with Beauty Butter Bronzer in Peau de Soleil, which is my shade. It's a matte, beautiful terracotta. It's the most perfect bronzing shade. They're both matte. You can really have flexibility when it comes to how radiant you want your finish to be, how matte you want your skin to be, but you can play, and I love that you have the flexibility and it's so quick. So Peau de Soleil is so perfect for fair to medium skin tones. It's easy, it's matte, it's the perfect shade. And then you have slightly deeper Soleil Riche here. So Soleil Riche is really great for medium to the warmer side of tan on the spectrum skin tone, which gives you that really authentic looking skin. And it's like summer skin in 2 minutes. It really takes 2 minutes, it's so quick. All right, so now I think I should show you how to do your, use your summer skin kits. So you just swirl. I start under my eye always for some reason, and I very gently kind of sweep down to about my cheekbone. So when I say it's matte meaning there's no sparkle, you know, because I feel like you would never have sparkle naturally, and I just want to look like I'm naturally tan. And it has, because it's a plant butter base, it really has this beautiful quality where it settles into the skin as opposed to sitting on top of the skin. And it really, you know, bends with the light, and it really looks like second skin. It looks like it's you. So I don't really go too far below my cheekbone, but I obviously don't leave a line here. I kind of blend it so it feels as if it's, you know, it feels as if it's my skin. And look how quick it is. I mean, okay, and so for those of you who aren't familiar with Super Loaded Tinted Highlight, it's sort of a 2-in-1. It's a blush and it's a highlighter. So it's a creamy texture. It feels like it's the finishing kind of product. So I'm swiveling around, and then I find my cheekbone. It's so pretty and it's so easy to use. So it's really nice because it gives you this beautiful kind of emphasis on your cheekbone. So you see immediately I'm a little bit more radiant and a little bit more, you know, emphasized. Your summer skin kits will come in a beautiful little pink box, and you know, it's so easy to pack these two things in your bag. So the summer skin kits will be available exclusively on westmanatelier.com and Soleil in Spain. I can't wait for you to try, and yeah, coming soon. Oh, and I almost forgot, there's a 10% value when you buy the summer skin kit. This little bundle is really, really great. You won't be disappointed. See you soon. Bye.